Can you bring out both defendants on the next case?
Which one is it? I don't know.
Andre and Corey Smith.
Corey.
Oh, Mr. Smith is actually in pro per, Your Honor.
That's fine. State your names for the record, gentlemen.
Corey Smith.
UCC-1/207/308 without prejudice and under duress. My name is Andre Smith Bay, here to represent the defendant, Mr. Andre Smith.
Okay, this is case number 240-580-9701 and 02. Mr. Andre Smith, since you're not represented by a counsel, do you waive formal reading, stand mute, and I'll enter not guilty plea on your behalf?
I would like, the defense would like to reserve all rights in this case matter and be able to proceed so we can turn around and prepare the proper defense for the case.
Okay, the court of not guilty plea on behalf of you, Mr. Andre Smith. On behalf of Mr. Corey Smith, Mr. Byrd.
Yes, Your Honor. Brandon Byrd, on behalf of Corey Smith, my client waives his right to the formal reading, was advised his constitutional rights, and will stand mute.
All right, the court of not guilty plea on behalf of Mr. Andre and Mr. Corey Smith. Argument as to bond as to your client, Mr. Byrd.
1 second, Your Honor. Your Honor, 32-year-old lifelong resident, Your Honor, was forthcoming to us about his prior criminal history with the carrying concealed weapon, but that's roughly around 8 years ago now. Indicated to us that he is employed as a production worker, but he just started, doesn't have any money to afford bond. These are non-assaultive allegations in nature, and after reading the report, if the allegations are said to be true, which we're not accepting them as true at this moment, but if they are said to be true for argument purposes, it seems like it was more risk of not with the assault and resisting or obstructing was more the resisting part than assaulting, Your Honor. So I would say these are non-assaultive in nature. He's not running from this, and respectfully, we're going to request a personal bond in this matter.
Mr. Andre Smith, anything you'd like to say with address the court with respect to bond?
Yes, my client, Mr. Smith he owned a couple businesses. He go to school. He haven't been in any trouble, as you can see on this case file. He haven't had a case since 2013. A lot of cases have been dismissed. This is another charge that they're presenting, and we're looking to be able to prepare the best defense we possibly can, or whatever in this case matter, and shed some light on the justice of what really happened that day.
Thank you, Mr. Smith. Both of you, $5,000 personal bond while this case is pending. Both of you are not allowed to have any handguns, firearms, or any other dangerous weapons. Both of you, probable cause, July 15th in front of Judge Sabri. And both of you, preliminary examination, July 22nd in front of Judge Sabri. Both of you can step aside now.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.